morning student, how are you? Hopeful you all are fine. And then we will start our exercise questions. Okay, in previous video we have already completed our chapter 1 food and its sources. Okay, then in that video we will start our exercise. Now open your book, see the page number of 13, and here what is the question number 1? See that, read the following question carefully and take correct right option. Okay, so what is the first question? Which of the following is neither a plant nor an animal source of food? क्वेश्चन ये बोल रहा है कि इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा प्लांट है जो ना तो इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा फूड ऑफ सोर्सेस है जो प्लांट है ना, नाइदर अ प्लांट नॉर एन एनिमल, ना तो वो क्या होता है प्लांट से मिलता है, ना ही हमें किससे मिलता है एनिमल से मिलता है. ओके, so what they are, see that salt. What is the first option? Salt. So you take that salt. Question number 2. See what is the question number 2. Which of these is a stem used as food? आप फूड के रूप में स्टेम में किसका यूज करते हैं? पोटैटो, रेडिश, कैरेट एंड टर्निप. So what is your correct answer? Potato. So write down the second answer, potato. Question number 3. A plant source rich in sugar. यानी ऐसा कौन सा प्लांट है जिसमें शुगर होता है? ऑप्शन है आपके टर्निप, बीटरूट, स्वीट पोटैटो एंड कैरेट. सो व्हाट इज योर करेक्ट आंसर? बीटरूट. व्हाट इज योर करेक्ट आंसर? बीटरूट. 4. Which out of this is not a milk animal? इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा है जो मिल्क प्रोड्यूस्ड एनिमल नहीं है, जो मिल्क देता है, ऐसा कौन सा एनिमल नहीं है? ओके, ये आपको बताना है. सो योर आंसर इज पिग. व्हाट इज दैट? पिग. टेक दैट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हनी बीज स्टोर हनी इन. हनी भी अपना हनी कहाँ स्टोर करती है? सो इट वाज स्टोर्ड इन बी हाइव्स. अंडर दिस टेक दैट बी हाइव्स. बी हाइव्स. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Which one of this does not belong to herbivores category? इनमें से ऐसा कौन है जिसे herbivores category में नहीं रखा गया है? So that is beer. What is it? Beer. So see, first salt, second potato, third beetroot, fourth pig, fifth beehives and sixth beer. Now come to our next question. Our next question, fill in the blanks. Okay. Question number 1. Blank and blank are the main source of food for us. So in the blank you have write down plants and animal. What you write that? Plants and animal. Okay. Question number 2. People who eat only plant product or part of plant are called. ऐसे लोग जो plant और plant product को ही as a food लेते हैं क्या होते हैं? So they are called vegetarian. They are called vegetarian. What they call? They are called vegetarian. So write that vegetarian. Okay. Third, when we eat potato, we are eating the blank of plant. अगर आप potato eat कर रहे हैं तो plant की किसको खा रहे हो आप? किसको eat कर रहे हो? So that was stem. किसको ले रहे हो आप? Stem. So write that stem. S-T-E-M. Then leaves are also called as blank of plant. Leaves को plant की क्या कहते हैं? Food factory. What we call that? Food factory. Okay. Question number 5. What is that? Bird which produce eggs are referred to as blank animal. So it was poultry animal. P-O-L-U-T-R-Y. Okay. P-O-L-U-T-R-Y. Next, question number 6. The parasite which live inside the body of other organisms are called. मैंने बताया था आपको पैरासाइट जो बॉडी के अंदर भी होते हैं और बाहर भी होते हैं, तो आपको इसमें बताना है कि जो बॉडी के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? सो दे आर कॉल्ड एंडोपैरासाइट. व्हाट दे कॉल? एंडोपैरासाइट. सो राइट दैट एंडोपैरासाइट्स. ओके, दे आर कॉल्ड एंडोपैरासाइट्स. नाउ राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. First, all green plants make their food in leaves. True. First one is true. Radish and carrots are roots. True. Potato and onion are modified stems which grow below the ground. True. Onion and ginger are roots used as food. False. Okay. Onion and ginger आपका क्या है? Root है क्या? नहीं. Okay. So you write down false. Cauliflower and broccoli are the flower birds. True. ये फ्लावर के ही बर्ड्स होते हैं, है ना, जिन्हें हम एज अ फूड लेते हैं. सो दैट वाज ट्रू. हर्बीवोरस ईट बोथ प्लांट एंड एनिमल. हर्बीवोरस जो होते हैं वो प्लांट और एनिमल दोनों ईट करते हैं क्या? नहीं. सो दैट वाज फॉल्स. सो व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट ट्रू, सेकंड ट्रू, थर्ड ट्रू, फोर्थ फॉल्स, fifth true and sixth is false. Now give two example of the each of that following. So what is that? First is edible stems. Edible stems में आपने क्या क्या eat किया करोगे? Potato and onion. So write down potato and onion. Edible stems, potato and onion. Edible roots. Second question, edible roots. So radish and carrot. What you write here? Radish and carrot. Okay. Inedible leaves. What you write? Spinach and coriander. Spinach and coriander. Okay. Then edible flower. Cauliflower and broccoli. Okay. Then spices. So in spices you have used as chili and turmeric. Chili and turmeric. Okay. So that was the two examples of the each one. Yes. Then you have written down in your notebook also. Now question number 5. Match to the column. See that. Match the following columns. So I write here the correct answers. So you see that. What is that? First is bees. So what is the correct? Nectar. Yes. Correct. What is the correct one? Nectar. Bees, nectar. Herbivorous plants. Herbivorous plants. Okay. Carnivores, flesh. Flesh. Fourth, cereals, wheat. Fourth, cereals, wheat. And pulses, you had matched that green gram. What do you match here? Green gram. Okay. So first is nectar, second is plant, third is flesh, fourth is wheat, and the fifth is green gram. Now question number 6. What is the question number 6 here? Means F. Write one word of the following. Write one word of the following. Animal which provide us milk. वो एनिमल जो हमें मिल्क प्रोवाइड करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? माइल्क एनिमल्स. सो यू राइट दैट माइल्क एनिमल्स. MILCH. Okay, an animal. You know the spelling of animals. Okay. Then the large scale production of fish. So that was called pisciculture. What we call pisciculture? PISCICULTURE. Pisciculture. Okay. Question number 3. A sweet fluid in flower used by honeybee for making honey. हनी बीज जो है वो फ्लावर के कौन से ऐसे स्वीट पार्ट को अपनी हनी बनाने के लिए क्या करती है? सक करती है, यूज करती है. सो व्हाट इज दैट? नेक्टर. व्हाट इज दैट? नेक्टर. NECTATOR. नेक्टर. ओके. Then what is that? The place where honey bees are referred for a large scale production of honey. So that is what? Apiculture. What is that? Apiculture. 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 So write down there apiculture. Question number 5. The process by which plant make their own food. ऐसा कौन सा प्रोसेस है जिसमें प्लांट अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करती है? So that was photosynthesis. What is that? Photosynthesis. So you write down the answer photosynthesis. Question number 6. Organisms that grow on and derive their nutrition or nourishments from dead or decaying organic matter. ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जो डेड और डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में रह करके खुद को क्या करते हैं? न्यूट्रिशंस देते हैं और ग्रो करते हैं. So they are called what? Saprophytes. They are called what? Saprophyte. Okay. Now in that video we are completed our exercise. In our next video we are doing our question answers. Okay student, thank you.